Meaning of drink driving.
Drink driving.
Drink driving.
Drink driving.
Drink driving. Drink driving refers to the act of operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol. This is considered a serious offense and can have severe consequences. The effects of alcohol on the body can impair judgment, coordination, and reaction time, leading to an increased risk of accidents and fatalities. The legal limit for blood alcohol concentration varies depending on the country or state, but even a small amount of alcohol can affect driving ability and increase the likelihood of a crash. Penalties for drink driving can include fines, license suspension or revocation, imprisonment, and sometimes even manslaughter charges in cases where fatalities occur.